Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating a bookworm, so let's get started. The first thing that we're going to want to do is make a circle towards the bottom of our piece of paper, not all the way at the bottom, but about right here, about 2/3 of the way down or 1/3 of the way up. We're going to make a circle, and then attached to this circle, we're going to make some more circles coming up this way. And as we're making our circles, they're going to get smaller and smaller and smaller because we are going to know that our bookworm is moving away from us. So let me show you what I mean. Let's make another circle here, but because part of it is hiding behind this initial circle, it's going to be not a complete circle. So another circle, and notice that my circles are getting smaller and smaller and smaller. And they are also kind of going off to the side a little bit. So it looks like our bookworm is curving a little bit. Let's go back to the front of our bookworm. This very first circle is going to be our bookworm's face. So let's make some eyes. And then let's make some glasses for our bookworm. So some circles. Bookworms love to wear glasses. And then an upside down U to connect these two pieces of glass together. Let's put some lines for the arms of our glasses. And then let's also put some lines like this for a little antenna. And then maybe a little smile for our bookworm because he loves to read books. Let's make a book for our bookworm. So our book is going to go down here, and the way that you make a book is this. You make a V, then you go down a little bit and make another V, and make sure these two V's line up. You connect these two lines, and then you put two lines right here. This is the spine of our book, and this is the front of our book, and this is the back of our book. We need to put a few pages inside of our book, and those are just straight lines. And let's make a picture on the front of our book, maybe a little happy face. All right, so this is the book that our bookworm is going to be reading. And what we're going to do now is we are going to make a background for our bookworm. He's going to be on the floor. And let's see, I'm going to start it maybe right here with a straight line. I jump over my bookworm, just like that. And then I'm going to make another line, jump over my bookworm, just like that. This is going to be the floor. So I'm going to make some lines, but they're not going to be solid lines. So I'm going to have a very light touch with my marker, just like this, because I want it to seem like it's some wood flooring. And I can create a background for my wall. So maybe I'll make some swirls for the background. Maybe I'll even add a few little dots in there for a little bit more interest. So basically it looks like my bookworm is reading a book on the floor of his house, and he looks pretty happy. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you next time.